You know what the worst weapon of a covert narcissist is? You think you know, but do you know? There's a stereotype about abusive men that actually makes this even harder to spot. You know the myth, right? That they're bad boys, that they're angry, that they're violent. That stereotype blinds us to covert abuse tactics. The best weapon of a covert narcissist is the calm. Their abuse is hidden under this deceptive, calm facade. They often have a composed demeanor. Behind closed doors, it's all about psychological manipulation, emotional control, and gaslighting. But they're completely composed on the surface and especially in front of others. They're not just deceiving the victim, they're deceiving their friends, family, and community at large. There's a public image and a private reality. Covert narcissists are into those subtle, insidious put-downs. They isolate you through manipulation, and they gaslight with composure. A narcissist will make you crazy, they'll make you lose your shit, and they'll stand there calmly. The calm is a weapon.
Stronger.